Okay, this lesson is 7.6, application of a dot product and a cross product. Okay, we want to find the torque. A wrench is used to tighten a bolt. A force of 60 Newton is applied clockwise direction at 80 degrees to the handle. The handle is 20 centimeters from the center of the bolt. So if you look at this picture, this is the bolt. I apply the force downward like this. I apply force here, and from here to here is going to be dr. Yeah. Here to here is r. Again, the force, you can say that applied this way, and the angle between the force and the handle gonna be 80 degrees. It's gonna be 80 degrees is the force I apply. Now the R, the force is applied 60 Newton, and the R is gonna be here is 20 centimeter. So you know the equation for the torque is what? Tau, which is the torque, is equal to R cross the force. So it's going to be the magnitude of the R, the magnitude of the force, and the sine of the angle between them, which is 80. So R is 20 centimeter is 0.2 meter. Force is going to be 60 Newton, and sine of the 80. If you put that in a calculator, you will get 11.8 Newton meter. That would be the torque. So next example, the projection that we have done before. Determine the projection and its magnitude of the V on U. So if you remember that equation, projection of V on U is equal to V dot U divided by U dot U, and here is U. So V is given to me. V is 427 dotted to 638 divided by U is 638 dotted to 638, and here is U, which is 638. And if you remember how to do the dot product, it's going to be 4 multiplied by 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 8 multiplied by 7 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 8 multiplied by 8. And I'm gonna keep that part. 6, 3, and 8. Now, simplifying the numerator, you'll get 86 or 109 and 8. If you want to find the magnitude of that, you know what to do. So magnitude of the projection of the V on U is just equal to magnitude of this. Is equal to 86 over 109. The magnitude of this is going to be 6 power 2 plus 3 power 2 plus 8 power 2, which is equal to, if you do it, it's going to be 8.2. Okay. The next example. Okay. Mechanical work in 3 space. Force is given to you, acts on an object with a displacement of that. Determine the work done. So I know the work is gonna be force dotted to the displacement. So which is 300, 700, 500, and dotted to the displacement is 3, 1, and 12. And everyone know how to dot product these two. Is 300 multiplied by 3 plus 700 multiplied by 1 plus 500 multiplied by 12 is equal to 7600. Right. Now this is going to be joule. Now determine the work done against gravity, which is so this is the total work done, right? Determine the work done against the gravity, which is a force in a direction of the negative z-axis. So as you see, the only force is done against the gravity. It is in z direction, right? It's 500. So that's going to be the force is 0, 0, 500. The gravity is down, right? And this force is up, like just pulling that up. So it's just the z component. And the displacement along that direction is 0, 0, 12, right? Therefore, if you want to find the work done, you just dotted product that together. 0 multiplied by 0 plus 0 multiplied by 0 plus 500 multiplied by 12, which is 6,000. Yeah, the work done against the gravity. Again, I put that work is equal to F in Z direction, dotted to the displacement in, dotted to the displacement against in a Z direction is this one. Now next question, triple scalar product. Evaluate the expression U cross V dot W. First you have to do U cross V and then the result U dotted to W. So for I, J, K we have U is 4, 3, 1 and V is 2, 5, 6. For I component, so it's going to be 3 multiplied by 6 minus 1 multiplied by 5. This is I component. And for J component, so it's going to be 4 multiplied by 6 and minus 1 multiplied by 2. For K hat component, it is 4 multiplied by 5 minus 2, 4 multiplied by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 3. So if you evaluate those things, you'll get 13 for X component. 13, negative 22, and 14. So this is for that. This is for U cross V. Now I want to do U cross V dotted into W. So U cross V is 13, negative 22, and 14. U dotted to the W, 10, negative 3, and negative 14. You just do that. 13 multiplied by 10 plus negative 22 multiplied by negative 3 plus 14 multiplied by negative 14. The result would be 0. Okay. This is this question. And the next question, I want to do W dot U cross V. Again, the same thing, you just do that. And let's say I did that. and the answer is 0. Compare it to the previous one, which was U cross V dotted to W, right? That was 0 too. So this makes sense, right? This things is dotted to the W. It doesn't matter which way I put the dot. Do you remember that? U dot V is the same as V dot U. It doesn't matter which way you do it. The same things. The whole thing is a vector, is dotted to W's. Of course, the result should be the same. Now, next one is that volume of the parallelogram. So, shown that the volume of V of the parallelogram is given by a formula. There is the area of the base and H is the height. Proven that the volume of the parallelogram pipe show to be found by this. Okay, we have a parallelograms. This is U and this is V. The parallelogram has a base. Let's say this is W. And I'm going to do like that. I'll try my best to do this. So I know that the volume of this parallelogram is area of the base multiplied by the height. I know the area of the base gonna be V cross U, right? Area, so volume, area of the base gonna be V cross U. We have shown the area of the parallelogram. And then multiply by the height. The height of that is from here to here. If I assume that the direction of the U cross V or V cross U is in this direction, okay, so the angle between two of this is gonna be alpha, right? The angle between this and W gonna be alpha. So according to this right angle triangle, what do I have? I have cosine of the alpha gonna be what? H, which is that one, right? Divided by magnitude of the W. So H gonna be equal to W cosine of the alpha. So I know that the area multiplied by H, I know this is gonna be H, and instead of the H I can put W cosine of the alpha. I know that alpha is angle between this, the V cross U, and W. Therefore, it's gonna be V cross U dotted to W. It's gonna be volume. So for the homework, you're doing the pages 418 and 419.